guys, what's up? It's Haley and welcome back to my channel. I have a bunch of clothes stacked up behind me, and since a lot of us are home right now, I just thought I would go ahead and do my first episode of my decluttering my wardrobe. I have accumulated so many amazing thrift finds over the last year. Today I'm going to be trying on and showing you every single one of these items, and they consist of all of my thrifted and vintage t-shirts, crew necks, hoodies, sweaters, all that fun stuff. And be sure to go ahead and be ready to screenshot some of your favorites because I'm actually going to be doing a huge giveaway in this video. I don't think that it's going to be fair for me to just save all of these items to sell eventually, so I actually wanted to go ahead and give a lot of them to you guys. So I'm going to be choosing 10 of you guys at random. If you're interested in winning some of these pieces in the giveaway, all you guys have to do is obviously be subscribed to this channel. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's actually just Haley's Corner. And then once you're done that, comment down below and make sure to include your little Instagram username so that I can contact the winner that has been selected. Throughout the video, be sure to pay attention. I'm going to go through all of these items very quickly, but the ones that you like, be sure to screenshot them, save them on your phone, and if you guys are chosen as the winners, I'm going to contact you through Instagram DMs and ask you to share with me 5 of your favorite pieces. I'm going to be selecting one, asking for your shipping address, and sending it right to your door. Trying on every single one of these items, I'm going to let you know if it's something I'm going to be keeping or if it's up for grabs, so be sure to go ahead and screenshot some of your favorites so that you can create your own little list of what you can win in the giveaway. Keep that in mind because it's a mirror, some of the logos and stuff are going to be flipped. And with all that, let's go on and get into the t-shirts. I'm putting on a stopwatch. Let's see how long it will take me to try on every single one of these things. First 2 pieces are these little Champion tees I got from thredUP. I've actually never seen the Champion logo like this, and it really reminds me of something you could find on Brandy Melville. Both of these tees came in a small, and I love that they actually already have a nice crop with a hem, so it's not a DIY disaster. This little t-shirt is so special to me because not only is it a Beatles Comme des Garçons shirt, it's actually one of the first t-shirts that I ever thrifted. It was really the start of my whole thrifting journey, so I don't think I can let this one go. This beige Tommy tee was such a find. Let's be real, this is one of those things you see on Pinterest. Add to thrift list. I always find Super Bowl t-shirts so retro. This one is the Panthers versus the Broncos, and I really like the blue and orange colorway it has. The back is also pretty sick. One of the softest t-shirts I own. I actually wore it when I was in LA when I went thrifting with my mom. I wear it as a little crop top like this, and it's super cute. Alright, yes, these next 2 are super huge, but I actually think they would be so fun to wear as a t-shirt dress in the summertime. They're made of this like towely material, and I actually got it in the white and in this really cool navy. This whole baseball detailing, I love. Just imagine this with like a pair of Converse in the summer. How cute. We're now going to be getting into my car racing t-shirts, and this has been my obsession for so long. This is the first one that I found when I went thrifting for Urban Dupes, and come on, this tee gives off the same vibes, but I'm obsessed with the Orange County Choppers logo, plus the baby blue right now is my favorite color for the spring and summer. I've honestly just worn this racing t-shirt so much. Not only me, my husband, pretty big fan of this t-shirt as well. He did a little cameo on my TikTok. This one I definitely love, and you guys did too. With a pair of like black flare jeans, it's such a look, and I remember this t-shirt only being 99 cents. This one's a fun one. You probably remember it from a past thrift trip, and I think what sold me on it was all these fun graphic patches. I've worn this t-shirt so much, but what can I say? This vintage yellow, it is so on brand for me. I just have to keep it. You know how everybody has that one favorite sleep shirt? This is it for me. And I think the award for the biggest t-shirt I own goes to We All Love a Neon Moment, and while I have this one in white, I recently thrifted the exact same one in black, and this Nike tee is just the perfect thing to pair with some bike shorts. Finding this one, I just couldn't pass it up with the yellow font on a blue t-shirt. Yes, please. If you're trying to pass off the I stole my boyfriend's t-shirt, this is the one. Another racing tee stuck its way in. This is from my last thrift trip, and even though I love it, I think it's up for grabs. A fun Harley moment. I feel like this one cropped would look so good if you're a lover of orange. A basic but a goodie, and the best part, I thrifted this brand new with tags. A fun basic too, and I was even thinking to maybe tie-dye it. And then for this yellow Adidas tee with the tie in the front, it would look so good with some denim. I'm breaking a sweat! But this is one of my favorite long sleeve tops, loving the green neon. And this huge Adidas long sleeve, I have a really fun tie-dye idea for this one, so I'm keeping it for sure. And we all know how popular these big logo tees are, so let's go through them quick. Keep in mind, lots of these are really long, but you could just tuck them underneath your bra, create a faux crop top, and you got a new look. Or instead, sport a top like this with a tie in the front, another great option. This Harley long sleeve so cool too, and I'm obsessed with the orange detailing. And it's so hard for me to decide crew necks, hoodies, which is my favorite. Let's start off with the crew necks. This vintage Nike one, such a find, and I love the neutral colors. Can't let this go. But I'm still coming through for you guys. So many cool comfy crew necks like this one that I'm just willing to let go. I decided I'm only going to be leaving myself one crew neck in each color, so for my navy one, this vintage Nike, definitely my pick. Adding an elastic hem to pieces like this at the bottom would make it so scrunched up and cute, and I actually have a tutorial on how to do it right up there. This Champion cropped one is so fuzzy on the inside, and I just love this color. I think this is one of the first crew necks I ever thrifted, and what I love about this is that it's so long. It goes so well with just a pair of leggings. And this Boston Bruins one is so cozy to lounge around in the house. And yet another navy Nike crew neck. This blue crew, super simple, no graphics or logos, but it's a perfect dupe for one that's on Aritzia right now. That one's like 80 bucks. This one was $3. I told myself no crew necks of the same color, so one of them has to go. This is one of my favorites. I don't know why, super random football team, but this is my editing sweater. Editing these videos in this. This one I just knew I needed because for an upcoming Friends outfits video, you already know. And this champion crew is for you if you're somebody who stays away from the colors and prefers the neutral. And then this next one with a crop, what a look. Funny how sometimes my favorite pieces are ones that are super simple, but this is the most perfect gray for those lazy days. Literally thrifted identical Calvin Crews, this one in navy and this one in gray, and just styling these with biker shorts, a really good summer look. I thought I was gonna let this one go, but putting it on, I need this for the Friends video too. And then this champion crew neck, you guys absolutely loved it on my Instagram, and it's just so big, it's the best thing to cuddle in ever. This Nashville, Tennessee one has the coolest tie-dye effect. It's making me want to tie-dye all my clothes. And speaking of, you guys, be sure to stay tuned for my next video. I bought an entire tie-dye kit and bleach kit. I'm gonna be doing a lot of fun things to sweaters like this. These zip-ups, I need to thrift more of them. Typically, I would wear with like a white bandeau under, and I'm for sure adding more to my bucket list. It's officially time for the hoodies. Look at this first Ferrari one. I've had it forever. I love the patches, and it's my favorite black staple hoodie. This red champion one is one of the first hoodies I've ever thrifted, and this is the most comfortable thing to wear at the airport. And it's always the one that I choose for when I travel because it's so cozy. This black Adidas one, always a cult classic. Wear it like this or even give it a crop above the pocket. Really cute. Introducing my Barney sweater. Every time I put this on, I want to sing I love you to everybody. This Talentless hoodie is so fun. The one sweater I have with the card graphic and the pop of orange is so fun too. Tommy Hilfiger jeans hoodie, little flag right here. Huge pockets too. You can actually fit so much in here. This champion hoodie is in, as I mentioned, my favorite color right now, this baby blue. And look, it matches my scrunchie. This was a full-size hoodie before I cropped it myself, and you guys, crop right above the pocket and it automatically gives you this cool girl vibe. I did it to this gray sweater too, and with a pair of high-waisted vintage jeans, it's my favorite combo. Or you could just, you know, leave everything in pretty much dress form. Who needs pants these days anyway? Another thrift tip for you, shop the largest size of the kids section. You can score with some really cool pieces too. And then how cool to have this old school champion lettering on the front of this one. I'm really in need of some dryer sheets to get rid of all this static. And then last off, I have a couple really simple plain hoodies in a bunch of colors, starting with black, then white, baby green, super hot pink, neon green too, and orange. You glad that I'm done with this try on? Because I am. That is it, you guys. That is everything in part 1 of my collection. Be sure to go ahead, give a thumbs up for my efforts. Trying all of these on was not easy, but I know you guys like seeing stuff on. But doing this really helped decide what I'm ready to keep and what I'm ready to let go. That being said, I'm excited to give a lot of these items a new home. So again, be sure to go ahead and enter the giveaway. Rules are going to be listed down below. Just subscribe to this channel, follow me on Instagram, which is just Haley's Corner with 2 R's, and then comment down below this video whatever you want, but make sure to include your little Instagram handle so that if you're selected, I can slide into your DMs, let you know that you won. Give me 5 selects of your favorite items here, and I'm gonna surprise you with one of them in the mail. And I'm just so excited to see some of these stuff on you. For all the winners that will end up winning the giveaway, I just wanted to let you know that I'm gonna be putting everything in the laundry, preparing your packages with masks and with gloves, so it's gonna be super sanitary and super safe, so you don't have to worry about that. And the second thing that I wanted to mention, especially editing this video, really made me realize how I was very excessive in my spending. Even though I thrift, and that is obviously better for the environment, I do feel like a lot of purchases were made with not enough thought. So that being said, going forward, especially once self-isolation is over, I'm still going to be thrifting because I really love to thrift, and keep in mind it is my job, so shopping is just a part of it. So while I will go to thrift stores and take you guys on thrift trips, I do want to put more thought into the things I actually will end up taking home with me. So hopefully you guys can make the decision to do that too. And with all that, I'm gonna go ahead, take a much needed shower, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!